good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the extended soft locks. Okay, so here I'm just parting my hair, and I'm basically going based off where I've already parted for the other faux locks, just so you know they look put together. And so the way I start my my hair is by braiding my hair first, and then I'll braid just a little bit and then eventually turn it into a twist, just because if I braid it all the way it will just take more time. So I just basically started off as a braid so that when I put in the faux locks it will stay there, it will stay secure, and then I end up turning it into a twist. Okay, so here you'll now see me open up the faux locks, and I like to wiggle in my crochet needle through my hair so I'm not putting too much tension when I put it through. You'll make sure to have the latch hook open. You'll put the faux locks through, and then you'll make sure to close up the latch hook and then pull it through the braid. And then I keep the latch hook through that hole of the faux locks, put my own hair onto the latch hook. I'll then close it up and pull it through the faux locks. Once I do that, I then pull my hair and the faux locks to secure it both together. So now here I'm just trying to figure out which way the faux locks is going, whether it's twisted to the left or twisted to the right. Once I figure that out, I'll start to open up the faux locks for me to put my hair within the faux locks. So basically you're opening it up and then twisting it around your own hair, and this will just make sure to insert the hair into the faux lock so it stays in there. And I won't lie, when I first tried it, I'm like, okay, this is kind of I'm not gonna say it's difficult, but it was like, all right, doing your own hair can be a little annoying, but once you get the flow of it, it really goes by quick, honestly, once you figure out, the pattern of it. So I'm basically just, opening up the faux locks until I insert my hair all the way through, or all the way in. And once I insert my hair all the way in, I will then go ahead and palm roll the hair together to secure my hair within the faux locks. And there you go, you got your 18-inch right there. So here's just me again parting my hair, putting some of my Shine Jam onto the root of my hair, and I'll again turn around and braid my hair and twist it. And once again, I just open up the faux locks, slide the latch hook through my braid, and put the faux lock onto the latch hook, close it up, pull it through, and then put my own hair onto the latch hook and pull it through. After that, I'll go ahead and start opening up the faux locks to put my own hair through it. This is just a closer look at me opening up the faux locks and then twisting it around to close up, to put my hair through. Ooh, ignore my nails, y'all. I still was struggling with getting my nails off. They finally off for real now, but I was still in the process. And so I basically do the same step for all of my for the rest of my hair. I will let you guys continue to watch the rest. Alright, so now I'm about to show you guys how to extend the faux locks. So initially what I put on my hair is the 18-inch, and now I'm about to attach the 14-inch. I separate the end of the 18-inch to make it into two, and then I open up the 14-inch lock so that I can insert one of the legs, we'll call it the leg, part of the 18-inch through the loop, and I tie it twice to secure it. And this will basically help it keep in place. So now I am going to separate both the legs, kind of like fluff it out some, so when I twist it around the faux locks, it stays. So you'll notice when you do this, the leg is either going to go up or down. And so I just basically follow suit. So if it's more twisting up, I'll go ahead and twist it up. And once I can't twist anymore, I will palm roll it to keep it together. And then I'll do the same for the last leg. And I'm going to twist this one down. Here's a little tip. If when you do this and it's not staying, you can use nail glue. You really just need like a small drop after you twist it to the point where you almost can't twist anymore. Go ahead and put a little bit of nail glue so that it can keep the hair in place. And there you go. It's very simple. So here is me doing this again, and I'll let you guys continue to watch. so here I have a mixture of basically black castor oil, lavender oil, tea tree oil, and a little bit of peppermint oil. And I just rub this on my scalp to keep it moisturized. And I do this at least 2-3 times a week to make sure that my hair doesn't dry up while in a protective style. So that's basically it for this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll definitely be back with so much more. Have a blessed day.